One horse almost broke through. Dance music. Already once again. Racing just is started. We have Lobby. First to show quickness at the start. Red Ransom. Best kept secret in the middle. Storm Flag is sorry outside. Next on line now is Big Time Sagarmata. Henry Sugar comes next. And on the outside is Big Time Conquista Boy. Kai McKee. Next on line is Claim My Prize while Dance Music is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Sagarmata. Alongside comes Best Kept Secret. Red Ransom is down in third, then followed over by and on the outside is Henry Sugar. By the rail comes Big Time. Storm Flag in the middle. Lavi comes next. Kai Maki, Conquista Boy, Dance Music. While Claim My Prize still racing last. Inside the Tres Octavo. We have Red Ransom now takes command. By a length and a half. Best Kept Secret in second. Moving up on the outside is Henry Sugar. Big Time is down in fourth. Next on that is Storm Flag. Lavi, Kai Makia, and as they swing for home, we have a Red Ransom maintaining a 2 lengths lead, and in second comes Best Kept Secret, and on the outside Big Time third. Last 100 meters, we have Red Ransom by about 3 lengths, followed by Best Kept Secret, and finally it's Red Ransom, Best Kept Secret, Big Time Kai Maki. Claim My Prize for your Pentapecta.